Here we come to some more elevators located on the opposite end of 21 North in College Station, Texas on Northgate. Oh my joy. That chime sounds exactly like the one in the north side, in the North College at Maine garage. College at Maine, I meant to say. See if the down chime works. Nope, it does not work. I'm gonna send this up and we'll ring the bell. I love that chime. All right, let's get the other elevator car now. At least you got to hear the motor a little bit louder on one of these elevator cars, unlike the one on the other side with the fan on. I mean, despite the fan that it's on, the motor on the other elevator sounded pretty faint. And I hear this one coming down. This one's got a fan too, and oh my gosh, the lantern plastic caps are missing. Unfortunately, you can't hear the motor on this one, but the whole floor indicator literally lights up, and the 5 just went out. Interesting. Oh, there goes that chime. Lovely. That indicator looks like it's shaped like a trapezoid. Very interesting. The cab has obviously been redone at some point. These are your fixtures. I really don't know what brand this elevator is. I don't see a brand anymore, but there's your phone. It used to say something up there, but somebody wrote in permanent ink. I don't know what that is all about. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end the video. All right, we're gonna watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.